I'm Roger Handberg. I'm a technical officer with Yukon Housing Corporation, and I'm here today to talk about heat recovery ventilators, commonly known as HRVs. I have an HRV here today that we will go through, and I can explain the maintenance and operation. Good ventilation is a key component to a healthy home. Fresh air makes you feel better and makes your house more comfortable. What comprises good ventilation in a home? Heat recovery systems. They bring fresh air into the home, they remove stale, moist air out of the home, they provide low energy ventilation, exhausting odors from the kitchen and the bathroom, and they remove moisture from the house, controlling humidity. Heat recovery ventilators allow you to achieve the best ventilation for your home. So what is a heat recovery ventilator? It's a ventilation system that recovers the heat from the stale air that we're exhausting from our home. It preheats the incoming cold air, reducing the demand on your furnace. In the summer, it works in reverse and cools the warm air that enters the house from the outside. HRVs are presently a requirement in all new homes in Whitehorse, but you can still install an HRV in your older home if you like. HRVs not only exhaust stale air from your house, they bring fresh air into your bedrooms, living room, dining room, and common living areas. So there are several different HRV manufacturers, but what the homeowner wants to make sure is that they have an HRV that's designed to operate efficiently in cold temperatures. Now let's take a look at an HRV and see how they operate. We have basically two air streams in an HRV, your exterior fresh air and your warm interior air. So in this case, the fresh exterior air comes in here, it goes in an airstream through the heat exchanger, through here, and puts fresh air into your house. The second airstream is your exhaust from your bathroom and your kitchen that brings a warmer airstream through these channels in the heat exchanger and dumps the heat, but not mixing the air, and exhausts it outside the house. So now we're looking at the heat exchanger, which is the core of the unit, and we're going to have a look at it here. I'll remove these air filters and explain later, but this is the core itself, and what we have is separate channels so you don't allow intermixing of air. You have your fresh air channel coming through here, and you have your exhaust channel, which allows the warm air to pass by the cold air and passively exchange the heat one to the other airflow. The homeowner always wants to remember to leave their HRV on in cold weather. That allows the defrost mode to kick in when needed and prevents freezing up. The homeowner should familiarize themselves with the HRV. The owner's manual is the first place to start. The core and the filters need cleaning, the core annually or more often depending on the recommendation of the manufacturer. The filters, a good time is in the fall because you get leaves and bees, etc. in these filters, so they just wash out with soap and water. And anytime before you open your HRV, make sure you disconnect your electrical cord. So unplug that cord before you open it up, but don't be afraid to go into your HRV, familiarize yourself with it, and maintain it. If you are planning on installing an HRV in your home, make sure you get somebody that's certified in design and certified in installation to make sure the appliance is properly installed. Thanks for watching this. I'm Roger Handberg from Yukon Housing Corporation, Technical Officer. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.